So let us understand biblical understanding of justification by faith. First, the holiness, the word holy from hagios, the holiness of a true Christian comes not from himself, definitely not from his good works, but it is coming from God through Jesus Christ. So in Romans 5:1, therefore, since we have been justified through faith, we have peace with God through our Lord Jesus Christ. You can notice that we are justified. It says here, we have been justified. It's in past tense. It's already done. You already have been acquitted, and you are found not guilty, not because of you, not because of what you have done, but because of your faith. What is faith? You can translate faith as believing, putting your hope